this has actually given me the ability to do that. I can spend 20 minutes a day making extra money. The rest of the time I can work. I'm coming out of debt by doing this. It's been very successful for me. The sky's the limit right now. I keep making more and more every week, and I'd like other people to know about it, especially hardworking people, especially people who provide services to others, especially people who help keep the world turning with whatever they're doing. I want to help those people, and that's why I made this video course, and that's also why the video course is actually significantly cheaper than the other things that I saw being offered on investment strategies out there. I'm hoping you could take advantage of it. I lay it all out. I show you photos. I do video captures of every little thing I'm doing so that you might be able to create your own investment strategy that works just like mine, and that you can actually have a profitable existence through this knowledge.